golden generation. Amin. Wa ya ayyuhal harirun al-mahbubun illallah. Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Merdeka. Merdeka.
Been labeled as Gen Z, boomer, millennials, kind of like that.
Wow. Amma ba'du. Al-karam al-ulama wa ayyuhal ikhwan al-ahibba. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Amma ba'du. Al-karam as-sadiq yang mengangkat mulai kita dari zaman jahiliyah sampai dengan zaman kejayaan sekarang ini. Terima kasih saya haturkan kepada pengelola,
terutama kita sebagai generasi muda. Generasi muda ini banyak yang telah
wa innaka la'ala khuluqin 'azim, yang artinya engkau Muhammad benar-benar dikaitkan dengan harapan atau keinginan seseorang untuk menjadi lebih baik. Zaytun dalam waktu ke-20 serta seluruh santriwan dan santriwati Mahat Al-Zaytun yang berbahagia.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Pidato bahasa Inggris dari kelas 10 Rijal kepada Muhammad Hisyam disilahkan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Merdeka. Thank you for everyone that been coming here, the honorable MC, the respectable teachers, and my beloved student of my Al-Zaytun in every level. Okay, let's go straight to the point. When we talk about the future, what do we think? We think about our future generation, our future year, and our future invention. When we talk about the future, we imagine what we can imagine and went way beyond that. From technologies to gadgets, and even our way of thinking. And that is what I want to say now. Okay, when we talk about future generation, we always intercept that concept with gadgets. Smartphone example. Smartphones, tablets, even this mic. We have grown far beyond from what we were born. When we been birthed by our mother, and then we start to walk, and then we start to talk, and then when we have built our confidence, we started to run, we started to communicate with other people, we start to play, we have our own way of thinking. But then technologies also move with us and grow with us. And then when we want to achieve a knowledge, like how to make something, we have to travel miles just to get that bit of knowledge. But now we can do this in our fingertips, touching the screen, and you can get almost infinite knowledge. But I'm not here to talk about if the future generation is smooth sailing, right? I'm going to talk about the problem here, specifically to the younger generation. We as the generation even has been labeled as Gen Z, boomer, millennials, kind of like that. Wow. And then after that, when Okay, when you think logically, if you have this many technology and this innovative future that we have been visioned for a long time, you should think, oh, the future generation is going to be way smarter and way far beyond more innovative. But unfortunately, that is incorrect. You are very wrong if you think like that. The future generation has now decreased instead of upgrade. If you have seen the news, you've seen that many children and even teenagers have maybe grown too attached on the gadgets they have now. We don't care what kind of gadget. It can be phone, it can be speaker, a laptop, a microphone, or even an earbud, an earphone, a wireless earphone. It looks harmless, right? But then after that, you start to see the effect. Time after time after time, you see the effect of the future generation and what happens to them when they get too attached to this technology. At first, a hobby, and then an addiction. They become too addicted. They cannot even let go of their phone. Just like Surah Al-Asr verses 1 to 3. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. For time, humanity is always on the loose, except the faithful one, the faithful believer, and people who donate to charity, and also people who are advising other people for truth, and those with advising other people with full patience and sincere. Ladies and gentlemen, technology that we have is not something that we cannot control. We can control it. We can conquer it even. But then you need to ask yourself, are your hobby conquer you, or you conquer your hobby? The technology that we have, the technology that everyone has its own benefit and also has its own weaknesses. And that is you, a human, who has the brain and the mind that has been given by the Almighty Himself, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and also the hadith that has been lefted by our Prophet, peace be upon him, and by all of the people who have sacrificed their money, their time, and their life for us. I am here not to talk about the weaknesses. I am here to talk about your mind and what is your potential of the mind can be. If you can create a technology that can make your own mind addicted, you can make something or even motivate it yourself to make it not even a big thing anymore. It can be something way much more. So that's all for me. هذا والله يرعانا ويحفظنا والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم